Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of weeks, I've been posting, letting you guys know that Google is testing a new feature in Chrome Canary, which is a preview version of the browser, to pin the different buttons of the different side panel entries to the toolbar. Very similar to what we get, as many of you will know, in the Microsoft Edge web browser, where you can pin those quick shortcut buttons to the toolbar. Now, just a quick recap. If we head to the stable version, these are the actual different side panel entries that Google is giving you the option to pin. Reading list, bookmarks, history. Now, just to let you know that finally this is now working in my region, and I can quickly show you in real time how this will all look if you would be interested, because previously I've been using screenshots. So heading back to Chrome Canary version 120, which is the latest preview version. If we head to our main menu, and I head to history as an example, here we can see history side panel as I've posted previously. That opens up your history in the side panel. And here we have the option to pin that history button to the toolbar, and also the history, the actual drop-down unified menu has disappeared, and we can see that history now is in the header instead of that drop-down menu. Pin that to toolbar. So that's the first step, and as we can see, very similar to the history button we get as an example in Microsoft Edge. Now the next one is bookmarks. So open side panel to see all bookmarks, and here we get the bookmarks header. You get the idea, and I can pin bookmarks now to the toolbar. And the last one, reading list, that'll be under more tools in Chrome Canary. Sorry, reading mode. And there we go, reading mode. And let's pin that to the toolbar, because reading mode is a new feature that, as I've posted, that Google has been giving a lot of attention in Chrome Canary, and this is also going to start rolling out, I would think, quite soon to the stable version. So here we can see that we have reading mode, bookmarks, and our history. And if we click on any of those, obviously that just opens up that in the relevant side panel. And you can also, obviously, you can unpin that. So you can, as an example, if I unpin, don't want history there, I can unpin that, and you get the idea. And what I'll also do, if you want to just play catch up, is that I did post yesterday that Google had added the flag to enable the pin to toolbar button of the different side panel entries, and I'll leave that video down below because it will give you a little bit more info just to play catch up. And I think that these pin to toolbar options could make their way to the stable version as part of the Chrome UI refresh before the year is out, before the end of this year, 2023. But obviously, if anything changes and I do get any more info, I will obviously post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.